Hi friends, let's get ready together. I literally just woke up. This is me without any makeup. I don't know why. I'm like currently freaking out in this area, but it sucks. I should probably put on moisturizer. And this is what I use for moisturizer. Now that we got our face moisturized, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair away. Okay, now that we got that taken care of, let's start off with the base. So for concealer, there's gonna be this darker one and this lighter one. Can you guys see the color difference? For blemishes on my face, I go ahead and start off with the darker one. And then for tools, I use my fingers or a beauty blender. I have brushes, but I'm like the worst at cleaning them, so they don't get used. Did that do anything? I feel like it did a lot. Okay, so that was the first layer of concealer. I feel like these blemishes still aren't gone, so we're gonna do one more layer. That's as good as it's probably gonna get. Okay, so for my face, I'll be using Dior Backstage. Yeah. Apparently you can use this on your body. I've only ever used it on my face. So the way I put on foundation is on the back of my hand and then with my finger. And I took a beauty blender. So I rarely wear makeup anymore. I used to wear makeup a lot back in like my early 20s. But for some reason, I've just gotten so lazy. And I feel like because I stopped wearing makeup like all the time, my skills are just like non-existent now. Okay. We're gonna do one more layer. I think this foundation is like layerable. Whatever. Okay. Let's go back in with the same concealer. So I know people usually like powder their face or whatever, but my face is so dry. Like if I powder it, I start like cracking and just looking all like nasty. So I don't powder my face. I don't know, maybe I'm using it wrong, but I just feel like it makes me so dried out. Like how do these other influencers use it? I just wanna know. They do have a lighter concealer. And what I use it for is just like highlighting and like dark circles. I bet you this is a filter on Instagram somewhere. But yeah, this is just to brighten up these areas. Okay, so that is it for the base. How am I looking? I think it looks good. Should we do contour? Or should we do eyebrows first? Let's do contour. Contour, yeah. Okay. Oh, so I only use this. The contours. Oh, I should explain to you what this is. Okay. So this is the NYX Wonder Sticks. It's the NYX. I only use the contour side. There is this lighter side. As you can see, I've like never used it. This color doesn't work with my skin. But this contour color is everything. I can't find another contour formula and color that works this well. Okay. Okay. Does it look even? And that's it. Yeah, that's the only thing I feel like contouring. I never contour my face. I tried to once, and my mom came up to me and she was like, why is your face dirty? Like right here. I was like, that's my contour. So yeah, after that day, I just never contoured my face again. But maybe just because I'm not skillful and I don't blend all the way, so it looks like I'm dirty. Okay. Okay, for brows, I'm an Anastasia girl. This is their pencil. I usually use, I just use whatever, really. If you look at my brows, I haven't really gotten them waxed because I don't really know what shape I want for my brows quite yet. And like, I'm also kind of into like the natural girl look lately. So yeah, we've just been leaving them. They probably look pretty unrolling. Yeah. They're not on my eyelids quite yet. Like my little brother, he has like hairs on his eyelid. He is monolidded though, so that's probably why. This is how I do my eyebrows. And then I just like literally brush it all out and hope for the best. Yeah. Are they even? Whatever. They're cousins. That's what we look like with the brows. It's coming together. I bought this from Ulta not too long ago. It's a Morphe. I don't know. All I know is it's super cheap compared to like other stuff. So we'll be using this color and this color. That's probably about it. So for the base, I like to use blush. I'm gonna be using Patrick Ta. So she be looking like there's gonna be like a cream side and then like a powder side. I never use the cream side, but the powder is awesome. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna like put it down on my eyes. Do it to the other one too. Does that work? Sure. It's great. This is the brush I'm using. It's for my Aegyo Sal. It's a Korean look thing. It's called the Aegyo Sal. I like squint my eye. Oh no, I'm gonna need the mirror. Okay. So I like squint my eyes. Pop over my eye smiles. I'm just outlining like my crease that is there. I'm not afraid. Whatever. That's my shadow. Charlotte, you've arrived. This is my favorite highlighter just because it's so easy. You just go like boop, 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 a little on the back of my head. My finger. I blot a little right here. Ta-da! take the remaining of the highlighter, pop it in the schnoz, and right here and there. Okay, to finish up the eyes, we're gonna tight line, and then we're gonna put on some eyeliner. Okay. How's that? It's okay. It's okay. It's not awesome. It's like, yeah, I'm not mad. It's okay, I'll take it. How's that? So I suck at putting on falsies. We're not wearing false lashes today, which is not happening. Death trap your eyeballs. I use Better Than Sex. I think it's all over my eyelid. That's okay. It's okay. I'm not mad. Wow. So we're gonna have to tight line this. Is it focused? Let's zoom out. The next step is gonna be blush on the face. So with the same Patrick Ta. So cute. Or how's that? Solid, okay? Okay, I hope it's okay. A little more. Just in case. And we're gonna just hit it with the beauty blender just to be safe. And then pop a little bit under the nose. Okay. Lip. First thing, let's go ahead and line a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna fill in the whole lip. Your lip look. Okay. This is the finished look. Okay. I'm gonna go hang out with my dog now. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.